talking about Apara Vidya, all that we have gathered here, 1, 2, 3, 4, all that gatherings that we have done here is useful to you when you apply for a visa. They will ask you your certificate. Yes, everything is calibrated to education. Okay, honestly tell me, this is what I heard from even great scientists. By the age of 21, 90% of your brain is being dumb. It cannot do, because it only can repeat patterns. They are trying to move out of a pattern. Okay, in a pattern, how did it help? Okay, every time you have a problem, they put a fMRI, field magnetic resonance imaging, on people and check how the brain activates in a problematic situation. So many lights operating in different parts of the brain, wondering what to do now. In a yogic state, it is in surrender. The light is only illuminated in the center of the brain, and automatically the valve opens, cosmic intervention happens as ideation, problem solved. You see the difference between average brain versus an awakened state.
So Guruji, when people are awakened, are they constantly in gamma state?
Not always.
Not always.
Gamma is a meditative state. You have to upscale to reach that place. It's like this. Sometimes it's very exhausting if you only operate in such intensity, because brain has to resurrect itself every day, rewire itself every day. Gamma is an intense energy process, It's like if you have constantly running. See, most people are not sensitive to gamma. Even if there is gamma happening, they don't know its gamma is activated. Yes? Like for instance, okay, right now, be brutally honest with yourself. How many of you are sensitive to transmission? Okay, you will get to know in a flash of a moment. If you are not, you cannot cheat yourself. We'll work on the hypothalamus. That's where our major struggle is for most of the people. Hypothalamus is not seated properly. If hypothalamus is not seated properly, we'll always have emotional upheavals. We will have distortions in the brain frequency, because our point of contact of all information converted into emotion. What kind of emotion is devotion? What kind of emotion is innocence? So, unless we crack open the code of devotion, we cannot access. Devotion is consistent communion. Devotion is not an act of prayer. Okay? Go deep down into the core of your midbrain. See the difference? No act of prayer. Devotion is